Well, we've had some lovely sunshine already today, but arguably the best of the day's weather is behind us. These sunny skies in Castleton, Derbyshire, increasingly becoming a thing of the past.
Well, the bank holiday might be out of the way, but hopefully we've got plenty more of these to come. Gorgeous little babies. It is, of course, spring. We've also got plenty more rain tonight, and then tomorrow, after a bright start, we are looking at more showers moving in and the winds picking up as well. And with those conditions, it is going to feel quite chilly tomorrow, certainly colder than today. And we have got a wind warning in place to the south of Greater London for parts of Kent and Sussex and Surrey, and that's kicking in from about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, lasting most of the day. There could be some fairly strong gusts outside. As the evening progresses, things will improve, and as we head into Thursday, at the moment, a slightly better day with some sunny spells. By Friday, a bit more rain again.
Now, there are yellow weather warnings in place for western parts of the UK, which means disruption is expected. Heavy rain and gusts of up to 60 miles an hour are due to batter some coastal areas, like here in Porthcawl in southwest Wales, with winds of up to 50 miles per hour possible inland. A second warning has been issued for parts of South and Mid Wales from tomorrow. So what is the forecast going to be? Helen Willis is here. Hi, Helen.
Hello, Clive. Some stormy weather is on the way. Yes, you've been listening to the forecast, and it's because we've got a powerful jet stream that you can see behind me here. This powerful upper level wind driving this band of cloud in off the Atlantic, allowing the area of low pressure to deepen rapidly, which gives the stronger winds. It's also already giving us some wet weather as well.
Thanks very much indeed. A day that promised so much this morning, didn't it? It went well downhill though, didn't it, today? We had some beautiful sunshine earlier on, as captured by one of our weather watchers. This picture is taken out in Buckinghamshire, just in the home counties. But yes, we all had sunshine this morning. Then as the day went on, it became a bit more threatening in the sky, didn't it? We had this cloud, and then of course some rain has been pushing in over the last few hours. Some really heavy bursts of rain out there as well. But it's through the weekend that the big change happens. So we turn drier and temperatures start to rise. Into next week, we could see 20 or 21 Celsius, 17 Fahrenheit. Spring will definitely be here.
I don't want to wish time away, but that looks good, doesn't it, Sarah? Sarah, thank you very much.
Yes, the weather-wise, it's not looking that great over the next 24 hours. So, obviously, it's the second half of the Easter holidays. The weather seems to be going a little bit downhill. In fact, we do have wind warnings in place at the moment and also a rain warning. We can take a look at these right now. This is the rain warning across much of Northern Ireland and southwestern parts of Scotland. 20 to 30 millimetres locally as we head through the overnight period into tomorrow. Maybe as much as 40 millimetres, which could cause some local impacts. And also we've got this wind warning, which is in place along many western fringes of the UK. And of course, with it being half term and people holidaying in these areas, that could cause some disruption. So gusts here could reach up to 70 miles per hour. Then on into tomorrow, the warnings change slightly actually. And across the south now is where we could see some pretty strong gusty winds. Again, there could be some local impacts as well. Let's take a look at how it's all going to pan out as we head through the next few days. And on, well, as you can see, we run the sequence, we've got areas of low pressure still coming in off the Atlantic, so further outbreaks of rain and strong wind at times, not to mention some chilly temperatures to come tomorrow. In fact, if we take a look at these pictures from a little earlier today, you can see the weather system, which was quite extensive. This is out towards the West Country in Bristol, and it has been quite, well, tasty there, as you can see, the winds whipping up the waves, certainly. Right, how's it looking over the next few days? Let's take a look right now. Again, temperatures certainly stay on the cooler side in places certainly below average for the time of year. But we are expecting the temperatures to recover as we get towards this weekend, maybe back up to 17 degrees Celsius with a slightly quieter second half of the weekend to come. So that's where it's looking over the next 24 hours. Quite wet and windy, but also quite chilly tomorrow. So that'll be quite noticeable.
OK, good man flu weather, I think. Yes. Watch out, won't you? OK, Alex, thank you.